XRP is right now flashing a huge buying opportunity here on its weekly time frame, and in today's important update video I want to talk about this and the most important data points, metrics, news events that you need to be aware of right now if you are invested in XRP or in crypto. Guys, don't forget to smash up the like button if you appreciate the content, and if you're still here, I appreciate you watching, and let's get straight into it. So guys, this is XRP's weekly time frame, and down below we have the crypto fear and greed index on the weekly time frame as well. What is very interesting to see here is that we are currently spotting a significant opportunity here in the market, because you don't see extreme greed for such a long period too often on XRP's weekly time frame. And in the past 3 times that we saw such an extreme fear moment on XRP's weekly time frame was actually a super significant buying opportunity. The first one happened here at the start of the bull market in June 2022 for XRP. Had you bought the fear back then you would have been extremely profitable. Also here in July of 2024, once again extreme fear for a long period of time here on the weekly time frame. Huge buying opportunity as well. Also here in April lately of this year, massive buying opportunity. And right now, once again guys, probability wise there's a pretty high chance that this either is the bottom or that we are extremely close and that a big reversal could literally be imminent here for XRP and for the crypto market. Another interesting metric to look at are the XRP funding rates. This basically shows you whether there are more short positions or long positions active in the market. You basically want to remember that it is always best to go against the herd, to go against the masses. So if everyone believes that prices are going higher, if everyone is in a long position, then it is always best to go in a short position or to take profits, and vice versa. If everyone is shorting, if everyone believes that we are in a bear market, prices need to go lower, that is usually a very significant buying opportunity. Now right now guys, the XRP funding rates are deeply in the negative, and this is signaling bearish sentiment and aggressive short pressure, as you can see on this chart. And typically whenever that happens, it presents an amazing buying opportunity. The last time that we saw such a significant bearish sentiment was actually in April of 2025, and we all know that April 2025 was a huge buying opportunity here on XRP's weekly time frame. So once again, it is always best, at least in my personal opinion, and if you look at the data, to go against the masses if you want to be profitable and successful in this market. Now here's an interesting statement from Brett Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple. He said that institutions that set out XRP for years are now entering via spot ETFs. Garlinghouse says they're crawling, then walking, and then running. And that is very interesting to see, because as we know, there's a lot of demand for the XRP ETFs. We're almost at $1 billion here in total net inflows. And basically since the start of the XRP spot ETFs 13 days ago, we have only witnessed green days so far. So guys, there's a lot of institutional demand. Big players are buying XRP behind the scenes, and at some point price is most likely going to follow. And for some people this is quite confusing, because on one hand there are strong ETF inflows, but on the other hand price is not really moving as much. But at some point I do believe that price will follow this significant demand that we're seeing here behind the scenes for XRP. So it's only just a matter of time in my personal opinion. And this is also an interesting chart from CryptoQuant, which currently shows us that there's a lot of whale activity going on here behind the scenes for XRP. And as I told you in yesterday's video, short-term XRP holders are continuously selling at this point, but we do know that smart money, aka whales, they are scooping up XRP behind the scenes. As you can see over here, XRP whales just accumulated 620 million XRP in a few days. They're buying the dip hard. So while short-term holders are selling, the sell pressure is getting observed by bigger players in the market. Here you can also see XRP's long-term holders just flip back to accumulation for the first time since October. The selling pressure is officially over, and here you can see it. We're starting to see green bars again in the XRP hodler net position change. exchange, which are basically the long-term XRP holders. So in my opinion, it is best to follow the smart money here, and I don't think that selling into fear where there's very low retail participation is the best thing to do right now. And guys, if you're looking for an exchange to use to buy or to trade your crypto on, I would highly recommend BLOFIN, which is a link down below in today's video description, because if you sign up an account with my link to BLOFIN, then you will be eligible for a 100% cashback plus a loss rebate, which are absolutely huge benefit. Another massive benefit from my specific referral link is that your trading fees are going to be among the lowest in the industry, which can save you a lot of money over time if you trade with my specific link down below, guys. So check out BLOFIN because they're offering huge bonuses right now, guys. For example, if you deposit 50 USDT into your BLOFIN account, you will receive a $10 futures bonus completely for free. And basically, the more you deposit, the higher your bonus will be. So definitely check out BLOFIN if you're interested. And if you want to learn everything about technical analysis, everything about TradingView, if you want to learn how to spot buying opportunities, then check out my Chart Like a Pro technical analysis course, which is the first link down below in today's video description. If you click this link, you will get directed to my Patreon page where you can purchase this course. You can also check out the preview first. I put a lot of effort, a lot of time into this course because I really want to help you guys to improve in technical analysis. I want to teach you risk management and everything about TradingView that you need to know. So if you're serious about this, definitely check it out. First link down below here in the video description. If we look at XRP here in the short term, this is the daily time frame, then you can still see that price is hovering around the support box here, which is amazing to see. So for now, there is absolutely nothing to worry about. We're just consolidating, and at some point I do believe that there is a pretty decent chance that XRP could reverse back to the upside. You can also see this potential double bottom here that's getting formed on the 4-hourly time frame, possibly the beginning of bullish market structure. So let's see if we can get another higher high for XRP here in the near term. That would be absolutely amazing. But for now, we're holding up support, so I'm still in favor of more upside. That was it for this quick analysis today, guys. Hopefully you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash up the like button. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, and I'll see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.